Good evening, students. It is 7 o'clock right now, 2nd August. And 3rd August, 7 o'clock in the morning, you are going to be standing outside your exam center in the queue waiting to go inside. And after exactly 14 hours, that is at 9 o'clock, you will be sitting in front of your computer waiting for the exam to start. And 9 to 12:30 is your exam, in which you are going to, that is like the period, the test of all your hard work, all your preparation, all the dedication, the prayers of your parents, everything in those 3.5 hours. Now there are last few minute tips that I would like to give to you. Today, have your dinner, a very light dinner between 7 to 8 p.m. Study till 10 o'clock and then sleep. Sleeping is very important today because it will actually give rest to your sympathetic system. It will reduce, or just, even if you are not feeling sleepy, even if you don't sleep, but just lie down, just relax, do some calming exercises if you have any or whatever. Okay, so 10 o'clock, put your books aside, go to sleep. Morning, get up by 5:30, freshen up, have a very light breakfast, just a tea or biscuit or butter toast, and then reach your exam center well in time. By 7 o'clock, be there. Okay, don't get late, otherwise that will increase the apprehension that is already there. Like, you know, your adrenaline is already pumping, and on top of that, you add on a circumstance which will increase that apprehension or anxiety. So don't do that. Don't create such situation. Reach the exam center well in time with the documents that you're supposed to carry. That is your Aadhaar card, that is a photo ID, your admit card, that's it. Don't take any pen or any other thing, any chit. Don't write anything on your hands or anywhere on your clothes. Don't do any kind of thing which will result in expulsion from the exam center. Okay, this is very important. Once you reach the exam center, then all your biometric scan and finger scan and all those things will be done, and then you will be given your or shown your table. Now when you sit there, don't interact with anyone, don't look at anyone, just be in your own space. जो आपका टेबल है, चेयर है, कंप्यूटर है, be in that space. Don't peep into someone else's computer. Don't talk to anyone. Nobody exists. No one exists in that world for you. If you want to do some kind of rough work, then you can do it at the back of your admit card. You can ask for a pen from the exam invigilator. You know the time limit, that you have 210 minutes for 200 MCQs, sorry 180 MCQs, 200 MCQs, and in that time limit you have to, you have less than or around 1 minute, 1.05 minutes for each MCQ. And you know that you have 5 sections. At the end of every section, then the section doesn't come back, so within that much time period you have to finish that particular section. So please stick to the time period, read each and every MCQ very properly, don't miss out on the content of the MCQ, read it very properly and read the options very carefully, and then you mark the answer. So please be very careful while doing that. Treat each MCQ as a new thing. Don't get over enthusiastic, don't get overconfident, don't get underconfident also. If you're not able to answer one or two MCQs, just don't bother, don't put all your energy into them, move on, go to the next MCQ. Once you come back and maybe in a stable state of mind, in a calm state of mind, you will be able to solve those MCQs, you will be able to recall what they are all about. So these are small things which you need to keep in mind. And I am sure that you all will be doing very well in tomorrow's exam. आप सबने बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई करी है, आप सबने बहुत अच्छे से अपना 100% दिया है, and I am hopeful and I pray to God that He gives you what you deserve and what you have worked hard for. So just keep God in your prayers. Morning में prayer करके ज़रूर जाना, because prayer gives strength. Faith gives strength. You will feel that somebody is there looking out for you, whether it's your Guruji or whether it's any God that you follow, but do pray and then go for the exam. So these were small things that I wanted to tell you. All the best for your exams and do well, and we'll meet tomorrow after the exams are over. After the exams, please enjoy life. Just forget these padai and all this and just go and enjoy. There are things to be done in life apart from studies. There are things to be explored. There are experiences to be gained which are different from just padai. So do that. Okay? All the best.